Large First Aid Kit. Emergency essentials for home, car, travel, and the great outdoors. Accidents can happen anywhere, anytime. Be fully prepared with the Large First Aid Kit for your car, home, or outdoor adventures. This comprehensive emergency kit is ideal for hiking, camping, backpacking, and travel. Packed with over 100 medical-grade supplies, it includes bandages, antiseptics, trauma tools, and more to handle minor injuries and unexpected emergencies. Compact, portable, and smartly organized, it's a must-have addition to every vehicle and backpack for peace of mind on any journey. Meet the ultimate pen that does more than just write. The tactical pen is a powerful self-defense tool disguised as a sleek, everyday pen. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum, it includes a flashlight, glass breaker, multi-tool features, and a smooth writing tip. Ideal for both men and women, this pen is perfect for emergency situations, night walks, or survival scenarios. Whether in your pocket or emergency bag, this discreet lifesaver keeps you prepared in style. Be ready for anything with the 8-in-1 Carabiner multi-tool. This rugged, compact gear combines a pocket knife, serrated blade, rope cutter, screwdriver, can and bottle opener, and a ruler, all packed into a sturdy carabiner clip. Perfect for camping, climbing, hiking, and daily survival. It clips right onto your gear or belt loop for quick access. Whether tackling a trail or opening a cold drink, this multi-tool keeps you equipped and ready. From quick fixes to tough jobs, the Gerber Suspension NXT Multi-Tool is your reliable everyday companion. With 15 essential tools, including a pocket knife, needle nose pliers, wire strippers, and more, it's built to handle whatever life throws your way. Compact and belt-friendly, it's ideal for campers, handymen, and adventurers alike. Precision engineered with a sleek, durable design, this multi-tool is also a great gift for dads, husbands, or gear lovers. Whether you're traveling abroad or exploring the backcountry, the Grail Dow Press makes clean water available in just seconds. With a 24-ounce capacity, this all-in-one water purifier removes bacteria, viruses, chemicals, and heavy metals from nearly any freshwater source. Durable, refillable, and designed for survival. It's a lifesaver for hikers, campers, globetrotters, and emergency preparedness kits. Stay hydrated and safe, no matter where your adventure takes you. Turn rivers, lakes, and streams into safe drinking water with the award-winning LifeStraw Personal Water Purifier. Lightweight and easy to carry, this compact filter removes bacteria and parasites without the need for batteries or chemicals. It's the perfect backup for camping, hiking, or emergency kits. Built to last and trusted by adventurers and survivalists alike, LifeStraw offers clean water when you need it most. Tackle the wild with the Sharpener 6-in-1 pocket knife sharpener and survival tool. This compact device not only sharpens knives quickly, but also includes a fire starter ferro rod, loud emergency whistle, and diamond sharpening rod. Whether you're on a hiking trail or facing an emergency, this tool ensures you're prepared. Built to endure harsh conditions, it's a smart addition to every survival kit or bug-out bag. Lightweight, stylish, and packed with life-saving features, the Atomic Bear Paracord bracelet is survival made wearable. This adjustable bracelet features a fire starter, emergency whistle, and strong paracord that can be unraveled for various uses. Whether you're hiking, camping, or fishing, it's a handy tool to keep close. Comes in a 2-pack with black and black-orange color combos, perfect for gifts or go bags. When the cold bites, stay warm with these super long-lasting hand and body warmers. Air-activated and made from natural materials, each warmer provides up to 18 hours of heat to your body, hands, and toes. Ideal for outdoor adventures, winter sports, camping, and emergencies, they're mess-free and easy to use. Keep a few in your car, backpack, or emergency stash to stay comfortable when temperatures drop. Small in size but powerful in performance, The Gerber pack hatchet is a game changer for bushcraft and camping. Featuring a 3.5-inch full-tang steel blade, it's perfect for splitting kindling, chopping wood, and clearing brush. The mountable nylon sheath adds safety and portability, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort and control. Whether in the wild or around the fire pit, this axe gets the job done. Dig, chop, and clear with confidence using the RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel. Built from heavy-duty carbon steel, this military-style entrenching tool includes a pick for tougher terrain. Whether off-roading, gardening, camping, or tackling snow, mud, or sand. This foldable tool is compact enough for your car or pack and tough enough to handle the elements. When you need utility and strength, trust in RHINO. Brighten your path with the LHKNL headlamp flashlight, an ultra-light, rechargeable headlamp designed for outdoor explorers. This 2-pack set offers high lumen output, waterproof construction, and 8 different light modes, including white and red beams. With motion sensor activation and long battery life, it's ideal for running, camping, fishing, or emergencies. Stay hands-free, focused, and illuminated wherever you go.